Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to rotate videos and images in Capcut, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Now you have to select one of your projects, or you can start a new one if you click on that plus icon, and you have to select a project or a video from your gallery that you would like to edit. I'm going to use this one, and now you have to click on the edit option on the bottom of the screen, the first one. Scroll a little bit to the right, and now you should see the edit option here as well. Click on it, and now you can see that the second option is rotate. So if you click on it, you can see that you can rotate your video, and if you click on your image or you select your image, you can see that you can do the same with the image as well. You can rotate it, and when you are done, just go back and it will be saved like that. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.